Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an unboxing of the November Boxycharm. I'm so excited because next month is the Boxy Luxe, which I'm very excited for. Honestly, I'm just very excited for that. I got September's Boxy Luxe, which I'm super happy I got. It was very much worth the money, and I got my money back with literally one product, so everything else was pretty much free. But yeah, next month for December is the Boxy Luxe. So if you have Boxycharm, definitely sign up. And if you don't have Boxycharm but you want to be a part of the Boxy Luxe, you would have to subscribe this month in November. So you still have time to subscribe so you are able to get the Boxy Luxe in December, and they will be billing you on the 1st. It is a total of $21 for the regular box, but if you upgrade to Boxy Luxe, it is an extra $28.99, I believe. So in all it is $50 for the Boxy Luxe, and you get over $350 worth of product most of the time. So I'm very excited. It is also every 3 months, so it will be, so in December is Boxy Luxe, so that means January will be a regular box, February will be February will be a regular box, and then in March will be another Boxy Luxe. So yeah, so let's just dive into unboxing this Boxycharm. So this month's Boxycharm is for gold diggers. So it says not gold, goal, like goals. Yeah. And they have our very own Boxycharm gold diggers. This is Maritza, Donna, Helen, Caro, and Zari. Girls. And then here it just tells you what you get in the box and how much everything is worth. So first thing I'm going to pull out is the Luxie brushes, the Luxie Beauty Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. This is so cute. I actually really love this. So you just open it up. You're going to take out the brushes so we can see them. So this is a nice, look at how cute these brushes are. This is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. Super cute, definitely good for blending and right into the crease and stuff. Next is the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. Very pretty. Ooh. Next is the Luxie 141 mini round brush. This is really good for like the outer corners and the inner corners. That's what I use these for. I think these are great for those areas. And then it is the Luxie 131 mini angled brush. So this one's very good for the outer corner as well. So those are the 4 brushes that came in the pack. Super cute. I actually really love this design, and Luxie Beauty has a very great brushes, and they have obviously worked with Boxycharm before. So the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, it retails for $21. So pretty much what you pretty much with this one product you got your money's worth already, because the box is $21. So pretty much you just bought this, and everything else that comes inside of the box is free for now. So add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. This is a bunch more, but I'm not gonna waste your time. And this is Donna's fave, so super cute. I actually really love these. I'm super excited to try them out. They're very soft, and I am excited to try these out. Next we have these lashes from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and I am not a lash person. I don't really wear lashes much, but it's mostly just because I don't know how to put them on, but I'm definitely learning. So once I learn, y'all gonna see me popping in the lashes. But these are in the style Insta Glam, and they are very pretty. Honestly, I think these are gonna look so pretty on the eyes. They're very fluffy and just really honestly pretty. I actually really like this design, and I'm definitely excited to try these out. So these retail for $14.99, and these are Maritza's Fave. It says, elevate your eye look with our new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, a natural looking length, and volume. Okay. Next we have this Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is very nice. I actually really honestly just love eyeliners, so I don't mind this at all. I'm gonna open it up for you guys so that we can do a little swatchy. It's packaged like that. It's like covered the whole thing. You know, some of them just have it right here, but this one had it all over, so that's that. And ooh, it is actually glittery. I didn't it said glitter star eyeliner, but I didn't think it was actually gonna be glittery. So this is what it looks like. You guys can like barely see it obviously because of my camera, but there's like little flecks in there, so very pretty. You can see the little flecks in there of glitter. Also, I kind of pressed on it a little hard, but you honestly don't need to press it hard. It's actually very creamy and soft. As you can see, this is really lightly. This is me doing it very lightly, and it's super pigmented. Look at that. And you can definitely see the little flecks in there. Very pretty. I'm actually probably gonna enjoy this a bunch because I love eyeliners. So I actually really like how soft and creamy this is. So this is the Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Sparkle up your glam with Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. This is Caro's fave, and this retails for $5. So that's very nice. Next, we have the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I was very excited about this palette just because it has very pretty colors in it. So this is what it looks like out here. And on the inside, it does not come with a mirror, but it has these gorgeous colors. Look at these colors, they're just so pretty. And I was really excited about this because a lot of people say that I look good in burgundies and reds. So when I saw these two shades, I was like, that's it. I love this palette. Like, this is just beautiful. Imagine having like these two in the crease and then this all over the lid, or like these two, or these two right here in the crease and this all over the lid. Like, there's just so many different things you can do with this palette. You have a nice little like lid shade right here that you can use to set your eye. You have your nice little transition color. You can also use this as a transition color. You have a lot of colors that just mesh well together. There is 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, so it just is very nice, and it's a very versatile palette for something so small. So I'm definitely gonna swatch this, guys. I'm gonna swatch this for you. So okay, so the first shade up is Jasmine. We're gonna grab her on the finger like this. Ooh, that is very pretty. So this is what it looks like swatched. I always do one swipe just because it just shows you a little better. I don't like going back and forth. Of course, what Jasmine looks like, that is the very first color in the palette. The next color is Clove. So this is Clove right here. It's a gorgeous little peach shade. We're gonna place that right next to Jasmine. And it's, on camera it looks a little patchy, but it's not really that patchy in person, but it does look like it will do a nice job blending. So I hope it does, honestly. I hope it does. The next shade right here is Myrtle. Very gorgeous bronze shade, and that will go right next to Clove, and that is a gorgeous swatch. I feel like that is very nice, very pigmented, and the shine is very much there. It is a little clumpy, but I mean, that probably won't happen when you put it on your eyes. So the next shade is Cinnamon, and this is a gorgeous brown shade, just like a nice little transition shade, and it swatches beautifully and soft. I actually really enjoy this. So this is the entire top row. There is 2 mattes and 2 shimmers on the top row, and 2 mattes and 2 shimmers on the bottom row. So these are the first 4, and we're gonna go on the bottom row and get the other 4. So So this is the shade Patchouli. This is a matte shade, very beautiful cream shade. And I'm gonna put that right underneath, and it looks very light. Like I said, it is a very nice shade for the all over the lid, like to set your concealer or your eye primer, however you feel like using it. It is also very good for like a blending shade, to blend two shades together because it won't really show up. So I really like it. The next shade is in Rose. This is a gorgeous pinky red. So cute. I'm so in love with this color. I'm going to put that right next to Patchouli. This palette swatches so softly and so beautifully. Look at that pigment. That is a shimmer shade. It is a very light shimmer. It's not very strong, which is good. It kind of, you know, there's a very strong shimmers, but this one is a very light shimmer, but it's very beautiful and I absolutely love it. Next shade is Poppy. This is a gorgeous burgundy dark red color and it is very beautiful. And it's a little patchy. It didn't swatch as well as I expected it to, but I mean, it's a matte shade, so I honestly am still very excited to try it out. It's probably the only bad performing one so far, but it's just because it's a darker color, I'm guessing. Darker colors are always harder to produce. And the last shade is this gorgeous gold color, and it is in the shade Primrose. A lot of people call it Primrose. But it's very pretty, and I'm gonna put that right next here. Ooh, look at that pigment. It's gorgeous. This whole palette is beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm super excited to try this on my eyes, and I will definitely be doing a makeup look with this Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. So excited, and I'm so happy that I got this. This palette retails featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. Well, they definitely have pigmentation because this is gorgeous. This retails for $24.99, and this is Zari's fave. And girl, you got a reason to have this as your fave. This is a gorgeous palette, and I'm so happy to add it to my collection. And now for the pièce de résistance. We have the Cover FX glitter drops right here in the shade Nova. These are very pretty. I honestly got this yesterday and I looked at it, obviously. I had to. So this is the Cover FX glitter drops, and these are gorgeous. I don't really use liquid highlighters a lot, or like anything that you mix into your foundation or anything. I don't use those a lot. I don't know why, I just don't. But I'm definitely so excited for these. So it is gorgeous. Look at this, and it comes in a little syringe that you can just, you know, it's super pretty. And I'm just gonna grab some, and I'm gonna squirt a little drop like that on my hand, as you can see. And I'm going to grab it and I'm gonna start blending it out. Y'all, look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna rub that all in my skin. Look at that. It is so pretty. It ended up more on my fingers. Look at how gorgeous that is. On camera, I don't think you can see how pretty it is. Oh, this is really nice. I honestly really love this. Like I said, I don't really use a lot of liquid highlighters or anything like that, but it is very pigmented and nice, and once you blend it into the skin, it looks gorgeous, and it honestly just gives your skin this luminosity that is just amazing. I absolutely love this. So is Helen's fave. It says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. I'm not gonna read the rest because, you know, but this retails for $44. I only paid $21 for this box, and I already have a bunch of money. Like, this is, I really honestly love this. I'm excited to try it out. I definitely want to try more liquid highlighters and stuff, so this is honestly so awesome. and that is the November Boxycharm that I got. So I know there's different variations of the box, so this is my variation. This is what I got in my box, and I'm very happy for it with it. I'm definitely super excited for Boxy Luxe next month. And yes, if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, I'll leave the link down below, as well as everything I showed off in this video will be linked down below in case you guys want to go ahead and purchase it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up on your way out. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, thank you for watching my video and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and I am an aspiring MUA. Well, yeah, I'm just very happy that I got this, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!